Is it the right time to make a decision about Apple stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 19, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. We wouldn't want you to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a promising investment, giving it a score of 2.93. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Over this time, the stock has shown a gain of 8.32%. In other words, it has delivered an average daily return of 0.28% since being labeled as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is in a strong rising trend. This creates a potential opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as the stock may react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $199.40, it could indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 15.68% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging between 7.35% and 17.12%. On a larger scale, the 12-month trend suggests a potential 35.78% change over the next year. This could lead to a return ranging between 20.41% and 37.02%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $237.14 to $269.86 after 1 year. Our latest update on Apple's stock price reveals that it ended at $196.94 on Tuesday, showing a 0.536% gain. On Tuesday, December 19, 2023, Apple's stock price increased by 0.536%, going from $195.89 to $196.94. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 0.541%, reaching a low of $195.89 and a high of $196.95. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 1.82% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 14 million shares on the last day, with a total of 40 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $7.92 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume at higher prices may indicate a potential divergence and signal upcoming changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for Apple's stock was $199.62, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the stock price is 1.34% or $2.68 below the 52-week high and 13.72% or $31.32 below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when it reached $228.26. Analyst ratings. In recent reports, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action on Monday, December 18, 2023. Citigroup also rated Apple as a buy with a hold action on Thursday, December 14, 2023. Additionally, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action on the same day, Thursday, December 14, 2023. Earlier, on Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush rated Apple as outperform with a hold action. And on Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Apple stock has been given a general rating of strong buy. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio have also been rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Apple stock. let's start with the current state of the stock. There are mixed signals at the moment. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, causing the stock to fall by -0.591%. The indications suggest that the stock may continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, it's important to note that the Apple stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This gives a positive forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. This further supports the positive outlook for the stock. In case of corrections down, there will be some support at $196.34 and $188.71. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. It's worth mentioning that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may be an early warning sign. As a result, it's important to keep a close eye on the stock and monitor its performance closely. Here are some other signals that you may find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence is currently showing a sell signal. Pivots have indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands have given a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a buy signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 31 days ago. Let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 34 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 19 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to support levels, Apple has 2 key levels to watch out for: $181.82 and $176.65. These levels indicate areas where the stock has historically found support. If the stock breaks below the first support level at $181.82, it may then fall to the next support level at $176.65. It's important to be mindful of this risk when a stock is testing a support level. However, overall, Apple tends to have controlled movements and good liquidity, which makes the risk associated with this stock relatively low. In fact, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of only 1.15% over the past week. So, in general, it is considered a stable stock to invest in. Before we explore potential trading levels for Apple, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First and foremost, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a key indicator that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for Apple's earnings in this quarter stand at $2.08. It's important to keep a close watch on these numbers, as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Apple. If there's an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $197.57. It might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $181.82. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Christ sold 5,513 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 10, 2023, Condo Christ sold 4,806 shares of common stock as an insider. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -22.630. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $190.32, which represents a decrease of 3.36%. This particular stock tends to have low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk for investors. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago, indicating a potential downward trend. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe there may be a buying opportunity for Apple stock in the near future. However, our analysis of volatility and recent market movement suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, December 20th, we anticipate Apple stock to open down $0.347 and begin trading at $196.59. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for this stock? Let us know. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you find this information helpful for your trading journey. Wishing you all the best and have a beautiful day. Regards. The Stock Invest team.